Hello Jammers, I haven't made a video in so long guys. Today is July. Yeah, it's the first day of July. So, hooray. And I turned the volume down so here you can hear me better what I'm understanding to say. So, we're gonna be teaching you how to make Automane 6 come the AJ and the DJ thing, the DJ pony. If you know what the DJ pony is, please give it a like and comments below. Well, I keep my color here, the color 1. I make my eyes white. And if you have DJ headsets, you absolutely can put it on. I'm like a member and I have 259 days out of membership. So bring it around your mom. I'm at my den so no one can get in it. So next up on the list, we have Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash is the hardest. Just put on some blue angel wings and you can buy them at the horse party. DJ headsets off if you have DJ headsets. Then find the exact same color as the angel wings, if it matches. So I think this matches. Then you can pick any color hairstyle you want. This color. If you want brown, you definitely can. And her eyes are red pink. So this is what she looks like. I know it doesn't look like Rainbow Dash, but it looks kinda like Rainbow Dash. Next up on the list, we have Applejack. So, Applejack is orange, and her mane and tail is just color. So, take off your angel wings, and if you have a cowboy hat and a lasso, they'll look a lot like Applejack. If you don't, that's okay. You can buy them at the horse party too. The lasso I bought from the GMR clothing. Next up on our list. Oh, I forgot to make her eyes green. That's one thing I missed. Next up on the list, we have Twilight Sparkle. So put down your lasso, cowboy hat and lasso. Then find a purple unicorn horn. You can find that and in the horse party as well. And find the same color as well, exact same color for the unicorn horn. And make a darker yellow. And her eyes are definitely this color. Whoa! Twilight Sparkle is breaking down the record. Oh, excuse me, I just burped. Sorry. Next up on our list, we have Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie is the easiest. So pick this color and the next color for color 2. This is the one you need to find. So if you have a birthday hat, you can definitely put it on. I'm finding it. It takes a while to find it. There's it. And her eyes are blue, teal. Whoa, Pinkie Pie looks fascinating in that look. Next up on our list, we have Fluttershy. You can keep the eyes. If you want. So bring these angel wings, yellow angel wings, and you can buy them in the horse party as well. So find the same exact color as the angel wings. And then pink is what you need for the hair. And so on. You can get rid of the party hat if you want. And if you saw an angel, you probably know she's a bunny. Well, I have a poodle with me, so I can't switch animals. Fluttershy looks beautiful. Next up on our list, last but not least, we have Rarity on our list. White for a color. I'm trying to find a white unicorn horn. You can buy that and in the horse party as well. And her eyes are dark. Blue. So purple for the mane. And you got yourself Marvelous Rarity. Well. If you know some, let's do Granny. No. Thanks for watching. Comment below to see what video we can do next just for you. And click the bell button and the comments below section so we can make more videos for you. So, if you ever want My Little Pony to come in AJ, just watch this video here. Click the subscribe button if and we will be happy to meet you. Don't forget to click the like button, and let's get up as 3 likes, just 3 likes. And if we can go more, we will have a party. I'll make you another video for you guys. So thanks for watching.